everybody. I want to go over number 6 and number 7 so you have some clarification as to whether you did the problems right or not. So looking at number 6, this is growth. It's going up from left to right. I also know that because the b value is bigger than 1. My y-intercept is here at 5 because that's where the graph is touching the x-axis. So that's 0, 5. And that is exactly what the a is. So the y-intercept will always be exactly what the a is if you don't see an addition or subtraction sign in the back of the equation. Okay, and when you do not see an addition or a plus sign, an addition or subtraction sign in the back of the equation, the x-axis will always be this horizontal asymptote. So it's the line that the graph is coming really, really close to touching, but it's not allowed to touch or cross. Because it's a horizontal line, it's a HOI, so it's going to be y equals, and everywhere on this line, your y is a 0. And that's because you're not up or down. Okay, the domain. This graph is going forever to the left and forever to the right, so the domain is all real numbers. Range, your y was a 10 here, a 5 here, a 4 here, a 3 here, a 2 here, a 1 here, but it's coming down, 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 and it's getting really close to touching the x-axis. So your y is getting really close to being a 0, but it's not going to get there. And so then when you go this way, up, 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 your y's get greater. And remember, this number and this number will always be the same. All right, now number 7. This one is decay. It's going down from left to right. I also know it's decay because my b is not bigger than 1. It's somewhere between 0 and 1. My y-intercept is here at -2 because that's where the graph is touching the y-axis. Now, that's not what it said it was going to be in the equation. It said that the y-intercept was going to be a +2, but this -4 in the back is making your graph go down 4. So the y-intercept that we thought was going to be at 2 went down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that lands them at 0, -2. Okay, so instead of our asymptote being right here on the x-axis, it goes down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where my horizontal asymptote is. It's still a horizontal line, so it's still a HOI, so y equals, but this time my y value everywhere here is a -4. This graph goes forever to the left, forever to the right, so the domain is all real numbers. In range, my y is kind of big up here and comes down, gets smaller, smaller, smaller. What's my y getting close to being? My y is getting really close to being a -4, but it's not going to get there, so no equal sign. And then when the graph goes this way, up, 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 the y's get greater. So remember, whatever this number is for the asymptote, it will always be that same number for the range. All right, so I'm hoping you did okay with those. So today you have a quiz to do for me. So I need you to take your quizzes. When you're done, take a picture of your score and submit it to Canvas. And I would like you to get a 70% or higher, and you can take it as many times as you want. Okay, so good luck, and that's all for today. Smiley face.